Hi guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your Messenger on PC. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your browser and go to your default search engine. Then search Messenger. Then go to the first result that shows up or go to www.messenger.com. It will then take you to the official website of Messenger and login portal of Messenger. There, scroll down a little bit. In the left side of your screen, you can see where you can enter your login credentials. Enter your email address or your phone number. Then enter your password. Once you have entered your password, click to login. Then you should be able to access your Messenger account. To make login easier for next time, click to Keep Me Sign In. But I do not recommend you doing it in a public computer or a shared device. If you have forgotten your password, you can get help by clicking to Forgotten Your Password. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.